of you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Write today's date beta 10-2-2021. We are doing block 24, the United Nations Organization. Our topic today is S2, promoting peace and progress. In S1 we have studied the birth of UN. UN means United Nations. Where it is in New York. Now what happened? There are 193 countries including India, which is part of UN. What UN will do? It will see that it will maintain peace all over the world. It will see that no one is getting trouble. No other countries are getting trouble with each other. It will maintain peace. What happened? Remaining part, what you have studied next? If you want some help, UN is going to help us. Okay? Now this we'll see brief in our workbook. Now take out your workbook.
See beta. Now open your reader before doing your workbook. See, we have studied the birth of the UN. We have studied that. Now today I am going to read this. Aim and objectives of the UN. Okay. Next I am going to read this. Organs of the UN. You all know there is no S3 in this, in your workbook. Till here I am going to read today. Agencies of the UN is directly S4 beta. Okay, I will read this when I am doing S4 beta. Okay, can you all see this? This is S4. I will read it afterwards. Okay, later I will read this. Now, turn to page number 148. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Aims and objectives of the UN. The main aim of the UN is to maintain world peace. Whenever there is a conflict that dispute peace, the UN send its peacekeeping force to those areas. Means what is telling? Whenever there is a problem in some place, UN will send peacekeeping force, okay, to maintain the peace. Conflict peacekeeping meaning I have already told you. It is there in the glossaries beta. The UN takes, second point, the UN takes care of the security of the people and their basic rights. UN will see the people maintain, it will take care of the people and it will see that people are getting their rights. Okay, basic rights. Next point, it makes sure that all countries develop friendly relation with each other. It also sees that every country stays together in friendly relationship. Next point, it helps poor countries by providing support of development and also help the poor, the uneducated and the sick people. Next beta, page number 149. Organs of the UN. The UN have 5 organs through which it functions. They are as following. How many organs UN has beta? 5 organs. See this picture? UN soldiers on a peacekeeping mission. Okay. Now keep your fingers where I am reading. There are 5 organs which help us to keep, which help the UN to keep, which help the United Nations. And it helps us to keep the peace. Follow the peace. Okay, maintain peace. Now, next one. General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Secretariat, International Court of Justice. These are the 5 points of UN. First one, General Assembly. This is where the countries meet to discuss the different problems of the world. This is the place, the General Assembly of the UN, where different country people come together to discuss their problems. Okay. Next, Security Council. This is responsible for maintaining peace and security between the countries. Currently, the council has 15 members with 5 permanent members. They are China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America. There are 5 permanent bodies, it seems. 5 permanent members in the UN. Who are they? China. First is China, children. Next, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America. Next, beta. Page number 150. Page number 150. See next. Economic and Social Council, ECOSOC is a short form of this. This works for helping the poor and sick people around the world. This organization will help only for the poor and the sick people around the world. Next, Secretariat. The Secretariat headed by the Secretary General look into the daily activities of the UN. The present Secretary General of the UN is Ban Ki-moon. Okay. He will see that the daily activity it seems. Who? President of the Secretariat. Who is he? Ban Ki-moon. Next, International Court of Justice, ICJ. This is a short form, children. ICJ, International Court of Justice, settle conflicts among different countries. Conflicts means problems, children, among different countries. Next, yellow color one. Did you know the UN, its agencies and staff were awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 10 times in the last 68 years. See how they are helping? UN provides help to people after a natural disaster. 68 times it got Nobel Prize, it seems. Nobel Prize. Why? To maintain peace. Okay. Understood, beta? Now take out your workbook. See, beta, here. Write today's date 10-2-2021. Promoting peace and progress. Page number 41. S2. See. The pictures show the UN helping people across country during a war or after a natural disaster. What do you understood about the work of the UN by looking at the picture? Write your answer in the blank. See here, children. See the picture carefully and you write. See, providing food. Sweden war, 1983 and 2005. They are providing food. Who? UN. Next, B1. Maintaining peace. Congo war, 1998 to 2003. Next. Setting up camps for homeless people. Sweden war, 1983 to 2005. See what they are doing, how much they are helping children. Next, last picture. Helping after an earthquake in Hayati, 2010. Next, see. First point, you write like this. Hope you all can understand. See, the UN provides food and other support to people during a war or a natural disaster. By seeing this, you should write here, children. Okay, they help homeless people affected by war, setting up camps. They send peacekeeping force to end wars. Second point, no, we still have problem on property and hunger in the country. Okay, children, by seeing this, you write here, children. Hope you all understood and it is very clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.